Yo, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. If you are new to Microsoft Teams, then you might be wondering how to set up a meeting with all the necessary features. In this video, we will provide all full beginners guide on how to set up Microsoft Teams meeting, step by step. We will cover everything from creating a new meeting to inviting attendees and sharing your screen during the meeting. We will also provide some tips and best practices to help you make the most of your Microsoft Teams meeting, from setting up the audio and video settings to using the chat feature. So, whether you are using Microsoft Teams for work, school, or personal reasons, let's get started and create your first Microsoft Teams meeting today. So, before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First thing first, I will need you guys to launch your browser, and then from there, all you gotta do is go to the URL section and go search for Microsoft Meeting. As you can see, here it is. Click on the first link and let's see if it's gonna open for us. So let's search for it, and as you can see, you will have to get it through Microsoft. So here you have Microsoft 365 Business Basic or Microsoft 365 Apps for Business and so on. You have to get, like, for example, if you are like a student, something like that, you can get this plan and it will be with you. For me, in my case, I have it already in my PC since I'm a student. I have it already, so I only need to search for it. So as you can see here, here we go, Microsoft Teams. And for you guys, you will really have to buy to get it in the first place. So this is like how it looks like when you first open it. This is your like my account, and here you see the calendar. If you have anything like something to study it, you have something to have, you can add it over here. And here exactly you can add the meeting. So for example, let's go and make a meeting for Tuesday in around 3. So we can come here, add title. Let's make it, for example, school math. And here you can add here the required attendees. You can optional. You can just add them. And here when this meeting is gonna be, and does not repeat, we're gonna, for example, let me just remove this. So if this meeting is gonna repeat every week or only for today, for my case, I'm not gonna repeat it. Add a channel. You can add it to a channel or not. I'm just gonna keep it simple. Here, add education, no need, and description, math class for school. Here, I'm going to click on save. As you can see, here it is. Now you can see show us busy, out of office, etc. Category, you can make whatever category, and here the time and response options. Now, in order for you to actually start like a meeting, let's go to team through here. So here, let's go back. Here you can create a team from here. So let's create a team, and in this team, we can create it through here. Let's make it a class, and let's name it math. Next, and let's wait a little bit. Here I'm going to skip. And here, for example, if you'd like to upload class materials or set up class notebook, you can add it through here. Here it goes. You can just drag any files and drag them over here. You can see, let me just load it. So it's gonna take some time to load. Let me just give it some time. And here it is. So it's blank notepad. Next, and let's create it. So getting your class notebook ready. So this is how it will look like when you create it. Of course, I did next, but for you guys, you will have to fill all the blanks so you have your students understand everything. So now let's give it some time, and here it goes. Now you can just go here and start editing everything. So you can, for example, add some exercises, download them from like Google and drag them over here. And basically, right after that, if you like posted it, so editing, and let's go to viewing. This is how the students are going to see it. So make sure to adjust between editing and viewing so you don't make any mistake, and you see how you'll be in the position to see how like the students are going to see this page. Now let's go to the home page. How you can actually start a meeting. This is pretty easy, guys. So first of all, let's go to math, and here you have to click on meet. So now I have created the meeting. So let's name the channel math class. If you have a camera, you can just add it through here, turn it on, and it will be added. For me, I don't really have it. Here you have your microphone settings. You can edit it from here. So this is my audio device, speaker, and microphone. You can add noise suppression if you like, high, low, off, and video setting if you have. For me, I don't have it, so I'm going to keep it that way. Here you can use audio of your PC when you are sharing your screen or not. You can turn this off and on. Now let's click on join now. Allow access, and here we go. Now we are on here. How to share your screen? Simply click to like over here and choose the window. So I'm going to share my screen. As you can see now, has been shared. So for example, let's say that you want to see how many members are in here. You can see them over here from this icon over here. You can make it bigger to see more in details. And basically, guys, this is how it looks like. So if you'd like to go to chat, you'll find it over here. So hi everyone, and this is how it looks like. And basically, if you were a professor, you will have so many students in the room. So this is like an extension that Microsoft Teams has. So everyone, of course, will be muted since you are the professor. You'll be the one who's in charge of talking. The others will be muted. So when someone wants to talk, they will have this extension, which is raise their hands. So basically, when they will raise their hand, you will see here a people activity with someone raising their hand. So it means that he wants to ask some for something, he wants to like add the notes, make a question, make a demand. It depends. So this depends on the situation, but this is like a raise hand, so you can know that someone is wanted to talk or something. Here it is, you find the react. For example, he loves something, applause. You can applause to someone that he answers correctly, and some emojis. Finally, here the view, how you want to actually see it. There is the together view and the gallery view. This is the rooms. So in like you can add rooms in here. So each one is gonna be sitting here with its own camera. So it is like kind of a cute thing to see. You can edit it from here, as you can see. Like you can make them sit in the chairs, even though it's online, as you can see here. And finally, here you have your mic, so you can mute yourself and stop sharing. So you can stop sharing your screen and stop the camera. And finally, here you'll have the leave button, so you can close the meeting from like the call itself. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it. I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.